CX-30 stands out among its competitors with class-leading horsepower. It comes with a 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine, delivering up to 186 horsepower and 186 foot-pounds of torque. It also features Mazda's new off-road traction assist feature, which will help the driver feel in control when adventuring on uneven terrain. And when we look at design, the CX-30's exterior is sleek. It's bold and it's sharp, and it's seamlessly connected to an interior that is remarkably stylish and comfortable. Now, with attention to both drivers and riders, our engineers have designed the seats to give all the occupants proper posture. And this allows the human body to react to the motion of the vehicle in a very natural and balanced way. Now, Mazda engineers also created a peaceful cabin environment by reducing noise and vibration. Every aspect of the CX-30 was measured from the tires to the headliner to minimize unwanted noise and encourage conversation and allow you to be entertained by the available Bose premium audio system. And while other vehicles in the subcompact SUV segment are just that, subcompact, the CX-30 is spacious and comfortable. It truly creates an atmosphere where driver and passengers can enjoy one another while also providing ample space to enjoy life's adventures together. And to deepen the bond, the ownership bond, we are introducing Mazda Connected Services as standard on all CX-30s, providing peace of mind, convenience, and safety. And speaking of safety, and this is important, in Europe, the CX-30 recently received the highest score ever measured by Euro NCAP among all car brands. So we are anxiously waiting for US testing and look forward to an outstanding result here in the United States as well. Our all-new CX-30 will be available next month. Prices start at $21,900, and residual values are expected to be best in class. So I want to encourage you all to visit MazdaUSA.com, learn more about this standout vehicle, and reach out to your local dealer to experience one up close. Now, the CX-30 is indeed the latest in Mazda's family of superb SUVs, but let's take a look at its big brother, our flagship midsize crossover SUV, the CX-9. For 2020, all new captain's chairs in the second row give passengers a prestigious, first-class cabin feel. Hands-free power liftgate makes loading cargo easier, and the enhanced turbocharged Skyactiv-G engine delivers a robust 320 foot-pounds of torque.